Hi everyone, today we are making roasted green bean bundles. You will need some green beans and some bacon. So I'm done making our bundles. Now we're just going to move over to the stove and pan sear these. Add your olive oil, your bundles, Alright, I'm just going to add in our tomatoes, some salt and pepper. So I'm just going to finish this in the oven and then 180 preheated oven for about 10 minutes. Our bean bundles are ready. I'm just going to plate these. Look how beautiful that looks. And it smells delicious. Alright guys, I just placed our poached eggs. Today I can't help it, I'm just going to dish out and do the tasting. Let's just add in a little bit of salt and pepper. Let's add some pepper. A little bit of salt. I want this one. Some tomato. Give it a try and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.